Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Click at the search line at the top and write Philips. Now search, and you should install the application that calls Philips headphones. Now open it, click at the check mark, continue. I guess we can close it. Okay. Hello. Next. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.